Hey kids, it's me, Bigfoot. You've seen blurry pics of me before, but I'm crystal clear on one thing. Get hooked on drones, not drugs.
That was me before I found purpose. Just a fuzzy little rebel with bad snacks and worse Wi-Fi.
I didn't just fall from a tree. I fell into my new calling.
Drugs don't win races. Drones do.
That's it, Jimmy. Channel your inner Bigfoot. Focus.
Stay fly, kids!
That's a joke. That's a joke. Ha ha ha. They getting roast. Ha ha ha. That's a joke. That's a joke. Ha ha ha. What a joke. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'ma get the last laugh now right here. I remember I was getting by until I had to get it. Or I could just be a movie star now, but I'm just getting to the punchline of everything. So buckle up, cause this a long ride, like a limousine. My girl like when I spoon her all night, like vanilla bean. I like drinking Hennessy. I got a lot of rapper in me, pause. Now they wrapped around my finger, wedding ring, everything. Gotta line it up, super calculated, like a TI 83 plus. I was out in China getting the bread, rapping to him. No, I wasn't, but you believe me, cause I'm the type of guy that could be rapping out in China. I'm swimming in vagina, I get it, I do it. Sometimes I fuck for fitness. I got the pussy off Olympics, sweating like Olympics. I need to take a breather, but she pleading, say she need it back to back to back, like I'm Kobe Shaq. I don't know, but I got Stuart Scott up in my ear, and he like, Dave, you got a booyah on that back. If I went back on Bumble, bet their servers probably crumble. I am just another muggle till I'm not one. It's hard to say none, like you up on hot ones. I just got the new facts, and they say I'm top one. Women say they pussy smooth, looking like a Ken doll. Should've set up Barbie doll, oh well. Goodbye, au revoir, y'all in limbo, raise the bar. I get on racks like my armor. I gave my best friend my old car. I tried to tell ya I'ma win, it's just a matter of when. I hit the club up with the players, then get brunch with GM. Holy smoke, these gold singles make me pout. If this shit ain't platinum, what the fuck we talking about? Baby, I just bought a house, baby, ain't no shoes allowed. Baby, my girl so goddamn tan, she look racially ambiguous. Picture this, I'm on prime time, getting head while I watch myself up on prime time, getting head. And I'm even in a few commercials, in a commercial breaks, selling sex. Literally, what y'all on? I got the block on like Amu Tumble. The way I write, you might as well call me Trumbo. This check for me or am I seeing double? I would lift weights at the gym, but then I'm like, why? I'm a nice guy, gas when I walk by. I just got a package in the mail and I fuck twice. Jugging, finessing, LeBron up in my mentions. They peanut butter jealous, I'm on them like Nutella. These motherfuckers, they done lost me. Everything I'm doing lofty, I'm kinda wearing on them like a softie. I got it ground up like coffee. I had a 06, rotted up, wildin' out back in 06. I was talking about graduating, now I'm on wildin' now. Time has changed, got a little grayness in my hair. I don't care, I gotta face it, I ain't never knowing how the money payment working. There's a person, couple people probably, I don't even bother. Big up to my father, he been so responsible and so logical. What am I even doing? Why am I rapping like this? I'm such a loser. I hate when rappers try to rap fast. Make the kids dance, women lick my anus. Think pieces on me, New York Times, I made it. I'm fucking like a fable, doggy style while she kegel. Then we eat a couple bagels with the locks, word to Jada. And guess what? I'm the it guy for America. Don't mind me, I'm over here just redefining the alpha male. Don't mind me, I'm over here just getting all the ops. How they rap? I've been working on my craft, making it happen. We should make a bracket. Don't forget that I'm the comedian.